Your destination is on the right.
Star one. Alright guys, we're here at the Tire 1 shop. Yan. Okay, kasi magpapa-change oil tayo ng Fiesta ni Ma'am Cathy. So since na malapit to palipa, dumiretso na tayo dito. So we're going to check it out. Check din natin kung anong ino-offer the services ng Tire 1. And of course, kung ano yung mga option nila ng mga products sa mga tires and wheels. Alright, tara. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go. Tapos mamaya, baka makausap natin sila Ma'am Ina. And of course, kung kailangan nyo talaga ng mga tires here at the Lemery area, they have also Profender, mga suspensions. Ayan, kung nag-off-road kayo. And of course, change oil. Ayan, Petronas, they have Petronas, Amsoil, Totatsi. Tapos iba-ibang klaseng mags, rims. Parang isang paradise ng rims. Sobrang nakakatuwa at ang laki ng area. Tapos they have waiting areas. Lift. Hey kuya, mamaya try natin makausap yung mga friends natin. And ayan, nag-o-offer din sila ng Phonic brands. We have different brands. Si Ma'am Cathy. Okay. Katulad nga nasabi ko kanina, since na malapit tayo sa Lemery, ito dito na natin papaservice yung papa-change oil itong Fiesta. And of course, para makausap din natin si Sir Kevin. Alright. Hi, what's up, Steven Media? We're here with Sir Kevin of Tire 1. Morse car. Yes, brother. Sir, thank you very much for your time.
No, thank you din.
Thank you for visiting.
No problem.
So, kung busy mo with all of these clients, guys, kanina, on a Saturday,
Yes.
dinawala ko si Sir tsaka si Ma'am.
No, it's good, it's good.
Sobrang thank you talaga. Sobrang sorry na pagbigyan ako ng
Thank you very much. You're welcome, boss.
for welcoming us here at their beautiful shop.
Thank you, thank you.
Good, sir. Talking about shop, how did it start?
So Tire 1 started 2021, May 17. No? So, actually, we started very small lang. One more garage sa harap. Tinesting lang talaga namin yung area. Yung area kasi medyo may background dito na parang yung tire shops, medyo liglig kasi yung area, so nahihirapan.
Okay.
So, kami, we took the challenge. Kasi medyo dense na rin sa Manila.
Yeah.
And we're hoping na this time around, since napakarami na ng population sa provinces, we tried our best. So, start tayo, isang brand ng gulong, which was Westlake Tires. That was around, I think, 250 pieces lang.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then later on, progression lang, so step by step, maliit, small wins. And eventually, nakapagpaikot kami, we're now at, I think, carrying mga 16 brands.
16
Tires. Bukod pa yung mga match natin. So, from China tires up to premium tires like Michelin yan, meron tayo dito sa shop. And then, eventually, nagkaroon na rin ng mga under chassis services.
Yes.
And then, yung mga 4x4 off-road, meron na rin. Sa mga sedan, yung mga coilovers, meron na rin tayo niyan. So, kumbaga, as we progress along the way, in-inject ko na yung enthusiasm sa ito.
Okay.
So, it's like doing business at the same time, yung passion to talaga for cars.
Which is importante talaga.
Yes.
So one thing I've learned doing this content creation, and one thing I've learned sa inyo, is that we follow your passion regardless how you
Yes.
started.
Actually, boss, tomorrow na kami. We were trying to build a community
Oh, yeah. Okay.
dito sa Batangas.
Okay.
You know, nung nagsisimula kami, nakita namin yung potential. And the people were craving for, parang a destination wherein they can express their sense ba. Well, ito yung kotse ko, ito yung project ko.
So you build your parang
Sino kaya ang makakatulong sa akin? No, yung proper way, kasi may kanya-kanyang definition ng
Yeah.
proper yan. No, so me as an enthusiast since 2008, yan, nagsimula ako sa mundo ng kotse, 2008. Tinatry ko i-share sa kanila.
Okay.
Kung ano yung naging experiences ko before, and from this industry, no, I give the utmost knowledge that I can
Okay.
para ma-meet ko yung standards na gusto nila.
Nila. So parang upang gawin yung sa gusto nila mangyari.
Yes, so.
With regards to your experience, that's nice. Isang pinakamagandang point yun kasi you're not just a shop.
Yeah.
Parang you just wanna sell, but you want to understand kung ano yung need nung
Yes, so. Kumbaga parang syempre, busy na ako sa shop. Diba? So, ang ginagawa ko, we're trying to form muna yung community para at least may mga nakakausap din ako na ibang perspective, di ba? Natututo din ako. Natututo din kami. So parang, ito na pala yung trending ngayon. Ito na pala yung gusto ng generation ngayon. So, lahat yun, tinatry namin para yung progression natin, sabay. Oo.
yeah.
And then, yun nga, nakikipag-bulap din kami with different communities, grupo, mga armies, nag-attend din kami. So, parang gusto namin makita na ito na pala yung person ngayon. And from the way it was back in 2008,
Malaki ng change.
malayo yung changes.
In terms of art, in terms of...
Yes, in terms of parts. Kasi ngayon, we have all the access na. We have access sa mga original Japan, mga mags, accessories. Hindi na tayo deprived, kumbaga.
Not like before.
Not unlike before. And, halimbawa, may mga tire brand natin na sobrang mahal now, it's affordable.
Okay.
So, now, people are getting into it, nakakasabay na rin sila.
But in terms of competition ba, sir? Medyo mabigyan pa ako.
When it comes to competition, boss, ano ba? Dealer
Dealer to dealer or setup to setup? Sa dealer man.
sa dealer side, boss, as much as we can, we just try to focus on ourselves.
Oh, yourself.
Yeah,
that's
The competition is there.
There,
And
yeah.
it's very vast.
Yes.
So, pero kasi kami, ang progression namin, gusto namin, ano ba yung strengths namin?
That's where you go.
That's where we focus. Diba? Para hindi naman natin kailangan punahin lahat ng galaw na yun. Diba?
Correct.
Wala nung, they're just trying to survive.
So,
So, kumbaga, ito, business injected with our passion. That's our, kumbaga,
mantra.
oo.
That's what Tier 1 is all about.
Yes. And then, bukod doon, syempre, after sales din.
After sales
Yes.
service, which is very
Because the business doesn't end on the sales.
yes.
It prolongs up until after sales service.
Sabi, I noticed nga, sabi niya, kahit gaano kalayo yung shop,
Yes.
pag talagang maganda yung after sales service,
Yes.
pumunta
Totoo
mo yun.
Oh, yeah. Kasi with a lot of things going in the industry, sa automotive industry, it's very important na yung relationship mo with your customers. You try to hang on to it for as long as you can. Kumbaga, hindi lang hang lang eh. Kung kaya nyo pang palawakin eh, di ba? So that's our goal.
Kumbaga parang sabi nga nila, your customer, you don't need too much marketing.
Yeah.
Your customer will give you marketing.
Yes.
They will
Yes.
tell you, okay dito sa Taiwan, okay sa
Yes.
mabait sa buhay after sales service.
Yes.
I believe in that.
Yes.
And one thing talaga na admire ko sa inyo, lalo na sa inyo mga kasama. Kasi guys, first time ko na-meet sila was sa event of sa AGC.
Yes.
Sobrang laki ng booth nila. And I was like, Taiwan? Saan ba saan to? So yun, sumali ako ng raffle, nanalo ako sa kanila. It was an event of Go Factory.
Yeah.
Shoutout kay Tito Johnsky. And na-meet ko sila. And their merch are so nice. The shirt, yung parang all. I mean, first time ko makakita. And they're like, sobrang accommodating.
Yeah, actually, yun naman ang ano namin. Whatever we can contribute sa community, whether it's in Batangas or, somewhere else.
Yes.
And it's not about always getting yung market mo. It's also what you can contribute for what you love.
Oh my.
Diba? Kasi it evolves you as a person.
True.
Diba? And you get to meet a lot of people na pwedeng magtambag sa'yo ng bago. Which you can apply.
Yeah.
Diba? You can apply it. If you think it's aligned with you, you can apply it. Diba?
Yeah,
So, yung mga ganung bagay, that's what helps us keep going.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
Keep our good plan there. And then, kung mag-communicate kami, and then nagugulat kami. Somewhere along the way, humingi na rin sila ng kulang sa amin.
Yeah.
So, parang win-win situation for us. Diba? Negosyo na nga, go kayo gusto.
And recently, meron yung bagong update, no? Nakita ko dun sa post nila that you were exclusively distributing, you're going to distribute.
Authorized dealer.
Authorized dealer.
Yan. Okay ba yun?
Yun nga ba na? Authorized
Yes,
dealer.
Bradley Wheels ng 4x4 Engineering. So, doon sa mga mahilig mag-offroad na gusto ng Japan wheels na sobrang tibay, check it out, Bradley Wheels. Bradley B, Bradley DD1, tsaka yung Bradley Takumi Forge. It's available with us. Just contact us, message us. We'll try to assist you.
So that is one of my dream leads.
Mm-hmm.
So alam mo na kung kanina ako pupunta. Alam legit, dito sa Taiwan. Here at, sir, where can they find it?
We're situated here in Ilustria, Lemery, Batangas. No? We also have our Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok, Taiwan Motors Corp. If you have any inquiries, gulong, mags, suspension, kahit even langis, meron tayo yan dito sa shop, mga boss. So, just message us, and we'll try to assist you the best we can.
Yeah, we just had my change oil. We just had our change oil. Before Fiesta,
Oo.
sobrang accommodating. Yung mga hindi ko nakikita sa ibang shop na ginawa na yung gagawin pa, they recommend. They tell you what kung ano yung things to be done, yung sa susunod.
Yes.
And they don't force you na, boss, kailangan mo malalaman, whatever. So one thing I really agree with Taiwan.
Kailangan was in line tayo with the customer as always. Diba? Para smooth lang lahat.
Yes. Yun. Sir, and advice na lang sa mga builders.
Okay. Builders or sa mga... Kasi kung sa builders, just keep doing what you love. Eventually, you'll see the fruit of it.
Yes.
And for those naman aspiring to have their cars built by us, just know that we will do your car as if it was our own. So, yun lang guys.
So yun, iko-count ko yun. Sir, iko-count kita. Gusto ko yun. Kasi ako, pag nahiram ko ng kotse, I treat that car, or even sa customer namin, it's like it's like our car.
Yes, importante yun mo.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, like I said, I'm a car enthusiast.
Yeah.
And to be honest, sobrang selan ko sa kotse.
I heard that. Sir.
Sobrang selan ko sa kotse. And yung selan ko, I apply it to all my clients. No? Hindi kami namimili kahit yan ay owner type G or whatsoever. Kahit anong dala mo dito sa shop. I treat it as my goal. That's what I always tell sa mga staff ko. Alagaan nyo na parang kotse ko.
Yeah.
So, in that way, the customers will appreciate it kasi mahalaga din sa kanila na pinakahalagaan namin yung nila.
I believe in that.
Yes.
Yeah, me as a customer, gusto ko yung ganun klaseng type ng shop. Parang, they treat your car as if they're done. Alright. Alright, boss. So, Kevin, sobrang maraming salamat. I know this is a short interview.
Very meaningful one. Very meaningful one.
Na-highlight mo lahat yung mga important things.
Yes.
And it's very inspiring.
Thank
So,
you.
thank you for your time. And mamaya,
Thank you, boss.
guys, nasa ano pala sila. If you wanna catch them, they will be at
Hardcore meet
Hardcore.
sa Ayala Manila Bay. So, see you guys there. Enjoy.
Yan. Shout out to Sir Henry Word. And of course, Mr. Richmond Sungay and all the teams of Hardcore Manila.
Yes.
Alright? Sir, thank you
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, boss. Thank you.
More power to your shop,
Thank you,
your customers, and God bless.
God bless.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kevin Carlos. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
po.
Here at Tire 1 Wars Corp. Thank you.
Tapos ito yung kotse nila, Sir Dwight, which is yung Subaru nila na solid. Solid dito. Carbon hood. Gauges pa. Carbon spoiler. Pag-shoutout sa Hardcore Manila. Sa Mech Automotive. Of course, Taiwan. Motorsport. Solid, no? Sa racing seats. Okay, ang recommend sa atin ni ma'am is yung Amsoil. Pero they have different brands like Petronas, they have Totachi, they have Euron, at saka, ayun lang pala. Kasi ito pala mga kulang na. Pero for dito, sa Fiesta, ang gagamitin natin, Amsoil. Alright? Then also, kung kailangan nyo ng mga pang off-road like bumpers, mga ganito, they also carry yan, yung mga spacers. Yan, check it out, Tire 1 here at Lemery, Batangas. Okay, binigyan tayo ng recommendation ni Kuya. Yung shocks daw nito, medyo, yun nga, kaya kumakalog na to. Saka yung brake pads, kailangan ng palitan. So, next project natin would be the shocks. Yung... Kuya, okay pa yung iba, no?
Yung brake shoe, sir, check ko pa kung
sige.
manipis na o makapal ka. Tapos, kung kailangan lang i-adjust yung one brake.
Okay. Yun ang maganda dito.
Isa na lang natin.
Sa Tire 1, sinasabi nila kung ano yung mga dapat palitan.
Check din natin yung mga caliper ko yan.
Mga caliper.
Mga stock up.
Okay.
Para grasahan na lang natin.
Ayun, solid. O, diba? So, check it out. Kung nandito kayo sa area, or kahit wala kayo sa area, try to check. Puntahan nyo ang Tire 1 here at Lemery, Batangas. So, check na rin ni Kuya yung handbrake. Kaya adjust na rin niya kung maluwag na or... So, siya-adjust lang ng konti. Fast 1. Ano pala? Hanap tayo. Skid plate, oh. ARB. Yan si Sir Jerome, ang ating sign mechanic for today. Only 4 liters yung ating engine oil. Yan na yung last. Parang gold. So ito, every 10,000 na to, no sir? Every 10,000 na. Kulang daw yung coolant. So syempre, may stock tayo. Yan, from Valvoline. Salamat kay Sir Jeff Briones. Tagal na yan. Pero yun na, yun yung ating coolant. Lagyan na ni Kuya. Check rin ni Kuya Jerome yung air filter. Magte-thank you lang ako kay Kuya Jerome. So yun, nagkasikaso sa fiesta natin. Sobrang thank you. Tapos yun, yung mga nirecommend niya na gagawin, no? Suspension. Yung brake pad. Pero dito rin natin dadalhin yan sa Tire 1. Alright? So shoutout ko ba, Kuya? Wala. Okay. Kuya Jerome, thank you. Thank you. Oh guys, gusto ko lang magpa-thank you. Guys. Thank you, Sir Kevin. Pamina, thank you, thank you. Thank you here, guys, from TV Media, here at Tire 1 Motorsport. Alright, thank you.